Or like in the...
Okay, and here we are in the hotel. Finally.
Which isn't a ghetto hotel. Can I please remind everybody that there's no bloodstains on the sheets in this hotel?
This is actually a really awesome hotel.
Upscale. We got some really good warnings from Detroit people about hijacking.
So we got the valet
So we definitely got the valet parking. Because we're safe.
And we're pansies. And we don't want to get jacked. At least I don't want to get jacked.
So right now we're about to head to find out where the heck the venue is.
Yep.
So that we can scope it out and hopefully not have to stay there all night.
Let's see if we can get this. It's about 20 to 1
if we have to
in the
stay
morning.
There, wait, if we have to stay there?
And yeah. This is we're about to venture out in Detroit to go find the venue.
4 white girls from Canada.
If we stay there, I say we take one of the chairs.
Oh.
Come here.
If we stay there, we come back, get our and go back.
Peace out, Sound Faction.